Hey, I'm Julie Lynn Moray. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing something special. We are going outside of my kitchen and we are going to see what Ponce City Market is all about. It's nestled in the heart of Atlanta. It's a historic building that used to be used by Sears and Roebuck and Company back in 1926 and now houses a food hall, national and local retail stores, offices, residential areas, a bunch of great stuff. So let's get exploring. Okay, so our first stop is at Hilton Bar where you can get booze and beef jerky. And it's a beef jerky that I've never seen before. I don't know if you can see this, but they're thin, bite-sized snack pieces that are nice, chewy, not too hard, and delicious. So good. So apparently they have Indian food here. We're gonna try some Indian street food at Batwali. Let's go. So we're here at Batwali, an Indian street food place in Ponce City Market. Who knew you could get amazing Indian street food in Atlanta? I love it. So good. There's so many things you can eat here. You can get Mexican, you can get Indian, you can get French pastries like I just did at Saint Germain. You can get sushi, ramen, I mean, you name it. And of course, Southern fried chicken here. But today, I am going to try this beautiful French pastry. I'm so afraid to even mess it up, but here we go. Amazing. So we're at the tap, and they have apparently over 100 different beers and wines on tap available. You can even get a 64-ounce glass growler for $6. So I couldn't decide, so we decided to go with the Monday Night Han Rolo Pale and the Cherry Street Coconut Porter. Wow, that's really interesting. I can taste the coconut. I almost taste something like chocolatey, or I don't know. So delicious. It's almost like a dessert. Okay, we're trying the Han Rolo. Definitely more bitter. Very juicy, but good. But the other one was definitely a lot sweeter. But I'll take it. Okay, so we are about to hop on the Atlanta BeltLine. We're gonna scooter through some of the neighborhoods, stop in at some nice restaurants, grab some food, drinks. It's gonna be great. Let's go. Okay, so I've never done this before, so this is gonna be really interesting, but I'm excited because we're gonna check out some really cool places. Let's go. Here we go.
Ready? Here we go. I can't. It doesn't ruin my scarf.
15 minutes later, we are in Crogtown. I made it here without any broken bones. I'm pretty proud of myself. So we're at Krog Street Market, and as soon as you walk in the doors, it's my favorite place. Check out Hop City. Look at how many beers you have on tap. Cheers. Bottoms up. I couldn't decide once again, so I got the spicy fried chicken from Richard's, and I'm gonna go get the banh mi from Phonam. I'm super excited because I love the banh mi sandwich. Who has all these ingredients in their refrigerator at one time? I don't. This is a treat. So good. it's hard to go from Vietnamese to a southern fried spicy chicken sandwich, but I can't discriminate, so I gotta eat this too. It is so good. So I could not leave this food hall without grabbing one last sweet. I got a chocolate croissant from Little Tart, and I really feel like somebody needs to wheel me out, but I gotta indulge. I love it. Please call me a wheelchair. All right, now it's time to scooter back. Let's go. I hope I don't die. Best day ever! So if you're really, really healthy, you can walk or run this trail. I choose to scooter it. Don't crash. We're gonna come up. I love this place because it's got like the trendiest restaurants and bars and patios that you can just drop in on and have whatever. A cup of coffee, a glass of wine, some beer, some snacks, entrees, desserts, whatever you like. Do tricks. Do tricks. No, I'm not gonna do tricks. I'm not gonna do tricks. I'm going to bust my behind. No, thank you. Prim and proper, here we go. What an amazing day. You have to check this place out if you're in Atlanta. Ponce City Market, the BeltLine, all the cool breweries, restaurants, tap bars. I'm telling you, this place is amazing. Peace out. I gotta go.